Welcome, this is the Delta Math solution tutorial. This is going to be covering transformation of a function a1. Here you see that the graph of y equals to f of x is in that solid black line graphed below. Which function represents the dotted graph? And these are your choices here. It seems like this parabola undergoes a transformation, and that transformation is here written in vertex form. So I have the core concept here for vertex form. Let's take a look. We saw that the black parabola moved by a translation, and it went to the left once. So here it went left one time. Then it went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it went up 5. What does that mean in terms of the vertex form? Well, that means the left one, that means h is going to be equal to -1 because it went left. Then here it went up 5. So k is going to be equal to 5. All right? Because h is your left and right motion, and your k is your up and down motion. Now we can write the function in vertex form. F of x is equal to a x minus h squared plus k. All right. Now we erase the h because we know what h is, and h is -1. So we substitute that in here, -1. Then we also know what k is. The k was 5. We can simplify this. So your a parentheses x, a negative times a negative is a positive 1 squared plus 5. Now we can take a look to see which one matches up with that. We saw that it is this one right here. Okay, let's hit submit and let's see if we are correct. Yep, we are correct. Right? So notice the image here. Right? Okay. So the original equation f of x, then the add 1 made it go to the left, then up +5. All right? Good. Let's do one more problem. Here we have this parabola, and again, the graph is y equals to f of x, and it undergoes this transformation, right? And then we're going to select how that transformation worked in vertex form. Let's take a look. So we have the vertex form on the right, and we know we have to plug that in here. We just need to see how it moves. So let's go here. All right. So first of all, we look at how much it goes to the left or to the right. Look, it went to the right. So it went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it went right 5. Then it went 1, 2, 3, 4. And it went down 4. Okay. Right 5. We know that the h tells you about your left and your right. So h is going to be equal to 5. Then it went down 4, so your k is going to be equal to -4 because down is negative. All right. Now we can go here and we can plug it in to our formula. The h disappears, and we now put in that value of 5. And the k disappears, and now we put in the value for -4. Okay, you can simplify this if you would like to make it neater. So this can just be a x minus 5 squared plus a -4 is the same thing as -4. Let's take a look at the answer choices here. We have x minus 5 plus 4. Nope, we want minus 4. So x minus 5 right here. X minus 5 minus 4. All right, that's how it would look like. Okay, submit your answer. There you go. So that minus 5 moved it to the right 5, and the minus 4 moved it down 4. Okay, so again, I wrote this into vertex form. It's going to behave the same exact way as this f of x. Okay, so don't freak out. All right, so there you go. Those are all your solutions and tutorials on how to do transformation of a function.